Moving can be chaotic, but with TidyTex's ultimate guide, you can embrace the hustle with a smile. First, start early. As soon as you know your move-in date, create a detailed checklist. Tackle one room at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed by the process. Declutter as you go. This is your chance to donate or toss items you no longer need. A clean home sells faster, and a tidy space makes packing easier and more efficient. Next, gather your cleaning supplies. Trust us, you'll want them handy as you systematically clean each room. Focus on high-traffic areas first: kitchen, bathrooms, and living spaces. Consider deep cleaning carpets and floors before you move in. They need to shine for those all-important first impressions. Here's a tidy tip. Before showing your home, open all blinds and turn on lights. Bright spaces appear larger and more inviting. Finally, enlist help. Whether it's friends or professionals, a helping hand goes a long way in making the process smoother. TidyTex is here for you, ready to make your home sparkle before the big move. Contact us today for reliable and efficient cleaning services. Check the video description for more details, including our website and contact information.